Hi there, students. Trepidation. Okay, trepidation is a noun. It's an uncountable noun. Trepidation is fear. It's anxiety about something you're going to do. So I felt great trepidation about the idea of giving a speech. Yeah. Or it can be anxiety about something you're going to experience. So I felt great trepidation about visiting the area where the war was going on. Yeah, so trepidation, anxiety, fear, worry, alarm. Yeah, it was with some trepidation that I told my wife that she was wrong. Okay, so trepidation, it talks about fear. It's a nervous feeling. Yeah, you're uncertain, you're agitated, you've got apprehension about it. So normally we start a new job with great trepidation. Yeah, we're anxious about it. Yeah, we're apprehensive. Yeah, we feel a bit agitated. It was with great trepidation that I went into the haunted house at midnight. Yeah, with a feeling of uneasiness, foreboding, some sort of disquiet. Yeah, it's fear about what's going to happen. So I felt great trepidation about the news that he'd given me. Okay, so notice it's a noun, it's not an adjective. Yeah, so with trepidation. Yeah, with a lot of trepidation, with some trepidation, with great trepidation. Yeah, to do something with trepidation is normally how it's used. A state of alarm, a state of dread about something that's going to happen. The idea of going into hospital for an operation was something that I viewed with great trepidation, yeah, with fear, with alarm, with fright. Yeah, I was nervous about it. Okay, so trepidation. Yeah, concern and hesitation about something that's going to happen. Yeah, it was with great trepidation that I let my son drive my car. So trepidation, this is a fairly formal word. I think I'm probably going to give it a 6.5. It sounds a bit literary as well. Trepidation in an informal conversation, I suppose, just about. In a semi-formal conversation, definitely. In a semi-formal and formal writing or something literary, that would sound very good. And then it comes from Latin, from the verb trepido, meaning to be agitated about something. So, yeah, if you feel trepidation, you're nervous about what's going to happen. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Trepidation.